So hello guys, welcome back to the new video, and here I'm going to tell you about the new AI tool and how you can create the various kinds of memes using this new AI tool called as supermeme.ai. So you come to the website that is named as supermeme.ai, and then after that click on the sign up button where you will be redirected to this page after signing up. So this is the options that they have included into the server, like text to meme, then themed meme, then search templates if you want the particular memes of that particular template. So here I have selected the text to meme, and let's say now I will write any of the text here if we wanted to create the meme of that particular topic. So this is the text that I've written: when you struggle to book profits in trading. And then you can even write the text up to 300 words, even you can give the context, even you can tell the AI tool that this is the particular context and create the meme based on that particular whole thing. So I will click on generate, and just you can see within less than 10 to 20 seconds the AI will generate the memes for our text. Just you can see here the reaction of this particular meme: when you lose money in trading. Yeah, this is really taking the context, and even the emotions that are generated in this particular meme are very funny. Like you can see this another meme: when you are trading, losses exceed your expectations. Like when you are doing the trade and your losses are exceeding your expectations, then your reaction. So in this way you can create the memes, and even you can create an Insta page and you can upload the memes on that Insta page to gain followers. So this is the thing. And even they have the paid plan, like you will get access to the API of this supermeme.ai tool, and where you can integrate that API into your website or any of the chatbot, etc, etc. And even they have given the option of themed meme. As you can see here, just you can tell the particular theme that I wanted the memes from particular industry like crypto and all. Then you can just tell the tool to generate, and you will be amazed to see the results. So in this way you can write any of the text here and you will get the memes out of that text. So this was the video about the tool named as supermeme.ai, where you can create the memes from the text, and it's very amazing. I have been using it for the 1 week now, and after that I have created the video. And if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. And I would like to tell you about the course that I have created on the ChatGPT. If you are not interested, please you can leave it out. So the website named aiconvo.in, I have created the course on ChatGPT. Already 680 students have registered with 148 5 stars. So go through the overview section, go through the curriculum. I've created 101 different videos how you can use ChatGPT in different professions. So you can see here in curriculum section ChatGPT as an advertiser, then UX developer, life coach, etc. I've even shared you the text files, and if you use the code elon20 you will get rupees 400 off on 1899, and the final course price will be 1499. So please do check it out. If you find it helpful, please let me know on to the mail admin@aiconvo.in. So thank you for watching. This was a video how you can create the memes using an artificial intelligence tool that is supermeme.ai. So thank you for watching. Till then, bye. Please do